Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. Now today, latest update, we are going to see Central University of Tamil Nadu, which has released notification for the teaching positions in assistant professor, associate professor and professor in various disciplines. The vacancies is related to categories OBC, SC, ST, person with disability, EWS categories. Before starting the video, I would like to request you all, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel so that you never miss important updates. First we can see is applied psychology. Here you can see the professor, associate professor and assistant professor vacancies. Number of vacancies is here. You can check the allotment from here. And first department is applied psychology, second is chemistry, third is economics, fourth education, ethnology and public health, geography, geology, history, horticulture, law, library and information science, material science, mathematics, music, physics, social work, statistic and applied mathematics, tourism and hospitality management. Total 26 vacancies are there. And now let's see the other important details. Last date will be 3rd January 2022. You have to apply before 3rd January 2022. Let's talk about the application fees. Application fees will be 500 for SC, ST and person with disability candidates and 750 for OBC, EWS categories, and that will be paid online. You can pay the fees in the form of demand draft, which will be drawn in favor of Central University of Tamil Nadu, payable at Trivurur. Now let's see the other details. If you want to calculate APS code, that will be given in the Annexure 3 and Annexure 4. Here subject specialization is given, which you can check from the advertisement. Now let's talk about the eligibility condition for the post of professor. PhD degree shall be mandatory. An eminent scholar have a PhD degree in concerned allied relevant discipline with published work of high quality. There should be 10 research publication in the peer reviewed or UGC listed journals, and total research score should be 120. Minimum 10 year of teaching experience in university, college as assistant professor, associate professor, professor, or outstanding professional having PhD degree in relevant discipline from academic institution, or who has made significant contribution to the knowledge of the concerned discipline, supported by documentary evidence, provided she has 10 years of experience. There is a separate eligibility condition for the subject of music and tourism and hospitality management, which you can check from the advertisement as per your requirement. Essential qualification for the post of associate professor: PhD degree shall be mandatory. PhD degree with concerned allied and relevant discipline. Master degree with 55% marks. Minimum 8 year of experience of teaching as assistant professor, associate professor, and 7 publication in peer reviewed or UGC listed journal. Total research score should be 75. There is separate education qualification for the post of education and music, which you can check from the advertisement. Now, essential qualification for the post of assistant professor: a candidate should have 55% marks and a concerned relevant allied subject from Indian university or relevant degree. Besides fulfilling the above qualification, candidate should have cleared national eligibility test conducted by UGC or CSIR, or similar test conducted by other agencies, or those person who have qualified PhD degree in accordance with 2009 and 2016 UGC regulations are exempted from the condition of NET. Complete application along with enclosures should be submitted on or before 3rd January 2022 to the address given below. Application for the post of to the Joint Director, Equipment Cell, Central University of Tamil Nadu, Nilagudi Campus, Tirur, Tamil Nadu. This was the vacancies notified by Central University of Tamil Nadu. To get the similar updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.